Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is an out and about video, so I'm in Jewel food stores. Me and Walter, he's somewhere with his shopping cart. Well, I'm in the ice cream aisle. I'm lusting after all these goodies, which I do not need. I had picked up some dreamsicles and I saw some orange sherbet, so I put the dreamsicles back. I don't know why I came down this aisle. I love fudge bars too. Nice and creamy and chocolatey. So look at those ice cream sandwiches. These got chocolate chips in them. And another one has chocolate chip cookie dough. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, this looks so good. And I came to the store hungry. And I know better. Here I am, still looking. Already got pizza. I've been down the pizza aisle first. I got the Eduardo's and the Signature. That's the Jewel brand. That's only because I was hungry. Now I got my food cooking in the slow cooker at home. But I was hungry right now. Okay, here's another section of the ice cream freezer. Oh my goodness. I like the Outshine fruit bars. They're really good. And I tried the no sugar ice cream like the Halo Top and all that stuff. I've tried all of them. The Rebel, no, no. Now I like the Talenti gelatos. Really good. I like everything I ain't supposed to have. Okay, but I finally settled on some orange sherbet by Baskin Robbins because it was on sale for $2.48 each. So I bought two. Plus I can make floats out of ginger ale or 7-Up and orange sherbet. Good and refreshing. Okay, let me get out this aisle. Okay, I'm going to show you this Oberweis Ice Cream. And you would think with a name like Oberweis, it would be delicious. It says premium ice cream. Me and Walter went to the Oberweis ice cream shop. They sell eggs and butter and all that farm stand stuff. We got some of this ice cream. And in my opinion, and his opinion too, it don't taste as good as the Dollar Tree ice cream. So that ain't saying much, is it? I hate to badmouth these people, but it's true. Okay, here I am lusting after the breakfast foods. Oh my goodness. I knew better than to come out hungry. Look at the apple pancake. Oh, I can go for some. I like sausage patties more so than the links. Oh my goodness. Little pancakes. I like waffles. I don't turn down too much. Okay, look at this ginger ale and lemonade. I've never seen that particular flavor before. And it says originally it's $7.99. Who's gonna pay that much for a case of pop? $3.99. I'll leave it right where I see it. You got to have a jewel card, a savings card or something to get it for the cheaper price. Okay. I like squirt. I like all these flavors. And what's that? The cherry limeade by Sunkist. That sounds good. Yum yum. Now I'm in the Easter candy aisle. I used to love me some Easter bunnies. The good chocolate, I would eat the ears off first. Look at the black jelly beans. Walter's mother got me started eating black jelly beans. She used to buy them. I had never seen just black jelly beans before, and she told me about them. Then I looked for them, and they do sell them. But I didn't buy any candy because I don't need it. It ain't because I didn't want it. I don't need it. And I'm so hungry. And these little bags of jelly beans, like $3 and $4 a bag. They done lost their mind. I like those too, them caramel creams. Mm-mm-mm. Yep. I'm just pointing out to y'all what I like. I like Reese's peanut butter cups. Oh my goodness. I don't like dark chocolate. I like the milk chocolate. And dark chocolate is supposed to be good for you. And look at those peeps. Nicole, my oldest daughter, she likes the peeps. I can't stand them things. Mm. There's people looking at me in this aisle because I'm touching stuff. They better go on about their business. I'm minding mine. Popcorn tails. Oh, there I go, making folk dizzy again. I'm so sorry. I used to make my kids Easter baskets. Look at those. Ain't these cute, y'all? Really cute. These are more for girls. But of course I had all girls. Those are cute. They cost a lot. Okay. And look at those big bunny baskets. They're cute. And the little stuffed animals. Cute. That looks like lamb chop. You know, Sherry Lewis lamb chop. Look at those. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. And what is that thing? That's a dog with a chick suit on. Oh my goodness, so cute. Of course, I ain't buying none of this stuff. Okay, let me get on away from here. Walter's probably looking for me right about now. Now here I am at the cupcakes aisle. I ain't buying none. It ain't because I don't want it. Hey, where's this man at? What is that? Oh, I like this popcorn. I picked up a bag of cheese popcorn. I usually buy a bag when I go to the gas station. That brand, Argyres. There's Walter. He gonna give me the sign. Don't put that camera on him. You know, when he see the camera, he gonna be on it too. He was talking, but I had to do this voiceover because they were playing music in the store. Okay, we're at the checkout, and look what I saw. Something I've never seen before. Soft pretzel bites. It's a bread, soft pretzel bread, and it looks like little footballs to me. I don't want none, but it was interesting. Okay, we're about to check out. I had to stop at Walgreens. I was having a coughing fit. I'm just about through with all this coughing. I'm still got 2 more days to take my antibiotics. Well, anyway, but I feel a million times better. So I was driving and having a coughing fit, so I had to stop and get me a drink at Walgreens. So Walter's, he's in the store now. So I'm waiting for him. Excuse me. So then we'll go home, and my slow cooker food should be ready. If it's not, I'm gonna bake a pizza because I am starving. Walter said, "Did you cook?" I said, "Man, you saw me stand here and put all this food in this slow cooker." He said, "Since we're over here near McDonald's, we might as well stop there." I ain't going to McDonald's. The only thing I want from there is a drink. I don't want the hamburgers. I don't want, the fries are good, but when you tell me you want to go to McDonald's, it means you don't want much. I want to feel the same way when I say I want to go to Popeyes. So you don't want much. Okay, my battery is blinking, so I better go. Okay, bye for real now.